Hello everyone, I'm Sophia Hasnain, the CEO of LinkedIn. I'm an electrical engineer by education and I started my career as an embedded systems engineer. But through the course of time, I worked in IT, strategy, marketing, product management, and mobile financial services. My last job before starting LinkedIn took me to various emerging markets, and during my travel, I always wondered how these countries and the businesses in these countries can benefit from IoT. I would like to remind you that in 2014-15 timeframe, there were a lot of hype around IoT and the wonders of IoT, and there were like numbers like billions of devices are soon going to be connected. And I always wondered that yes, it is fine, and the developed market, the businesses in developed markets can always take advantage of a reliable infrastructure that they have. But the companies, the businesses, people living in emerging markets might not be able to take the advantage of IoT because of our inherent infrastructural problems like unreliable power, interrupted internet, and other social urban issues that we face. So at that time, it clicked to me that maybe I should go back to my embedded systems experience and see if we can solve these issues for the emerging markets, for the businesses in emerging markets to become as good as developed market businesses. They should not miss this opportunity when everybody is talking about Industry 4.0 and a revolution in manufacturing or revolution in businesses, lives, how cities must be run, and everything. There has to be some kind of technology modification that has to happen to make it fit for emerging markets. And that's how LinkedIn started in early 2016. I'm glad that we started it. We have so far seen a lot of challenges in the early years, obviously, because nobody actually believes in this IoT and they think that, we are talking about some fantasy. Luckily, because of COVID, we saw that they could actually they saw that digital transformation can happen. There is a requirement for solutions that we have been talking about. So COVID really helped us, but I think the initial challenges are over, and now we are looking at much wider acceptance of IoT in the market.